When most people hear DHT, they immediately think of hair loss. But the truth is, DHT can affect a lot more than just your hair. High levels of DHT can show up in ways you might not expect. We're talking about oily skin, persistent acne, mood swings or increased irritability, even unwanted hair growth, like chin hair or body hair that wasn't there before. For men, this might look like a receding hairline, prostate issues, or feeling more on edge. For women, it can mean skin breakouts, irregular cycles, or hair growth in places you're constantly managing. Managing DHT doesn't mean blocking your testosterone. At Rejuvime, we focus on restoring balance, supporting your hormones so they work for you, not against you. If something feels off, it's worth a closer look. Let's test, not guess, and build a plan that fits you. You don't have to live with symptoms just because they're common. Let's figure out what's really going on. From skin to mood to hormones, everything is connected. Let's bring it back into balance together. Call us today to schedule your consultation.